This is the Brother Label Maker, model PT-1890sc. I got it for $25 at Sam's Club. It comes with 2 tape cartridges and a power adapter. There's some protective film that you peel off. And this unit can use 6 AA batteries or the power adapter. To insert the tape, you lift the cover up, place the tape in over the metal posts, it clicks in, and I'll turn it on. You press the shift key and the print key and it spools the tape. There, it pops out right there. Hit the caps key. This is the cutter lever. There's my first label. I'm going to trim it with some scissors. The tape backing is split down the middle, so you kind of bend it. Peel 1/2. And this label is actually going to go on the back of the unit itself to let me know the date that I started to use it. One setting I changed is the margin length. You press the function key and 7. Margin comes up. Press OK. And you switch it with the arrow key from full to narrow. Press OK again. Now the labels will be shorter with much less wasted tape on the ends. The unit uses 0 watts while it's in idle. Uses 1 watt when it's printing. I like to make these little cable identifiers. You can also print 2-lined text. And I can make my own little plant markers. The adhesive and ink is certified for outdoors. They've done tests and the stuff won't fade in the sun. It comes with 2 fonts, Bohemia and Helsinki. The unit itself is about 8 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 2.5 inches tall.